quick reading for November the 9th to November the 10th, water signs. So this might be a fluctuating energy, minsan nakakatuwa, minsan na pwede ka ring mainis. Kasi para itong palitaw, no? Itong person na ito. Para siyang lulubog, lilitaw, magpapakita ng intensyon, magpapakita ng this person is probably interested in you or still interested in you and then mawawala, no? I don't like the energy o para kasing meron ditong part na pwede natin sabihin, ay pinapaasa ba ako nito? Naglalaro ba ito? You're gonna be confused with this person's energy, pero deep inside, I think that this person is serious, no? Seryoso yung kanyang intentions, pero kasi yung lakas ng loob, parang medyo umurong yung kanyang balls here, no? Parang, naku, parang ano ba, tuloy ba to or what have you? Pero para kasi napapansin natin, medyo wala siyang ganun lakas ng loob. Although straight yung kanyang pananaw at gusto mangyari, pero medyo kinakabahan ito, no? This is your quick reading, water signs for November the 9th to November the 10th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align.